this April, I could not go to the gym as often because I did not have money for a membership. But I did not let that stuff stop me from training. Thankfully, my friend Cedric had equipment in his home, barbells and all, to get me to help me train my legs. But that is useful for training my legs. It made me realize and be grateful for bodyweight movements, especially for push-ups, pull-ups, and all. Since I started that training 2021 at 49 kilos, but now I'm 11 kilos heavier, so it's harder for me, which means more stimulus for my body. Also, I used some of my buckets to do some curls, and I did not have money for a day pass on the gym. Aside from that, there's the most days I did not get to eat as enough as often as I want to, but thankfully I did not panic and still train, eat when I could and when there's enough food. But yeah, I lost 1 kilos. It might not be a lot, but especially for me since I'm trying to fight for weight gain. So it's a loss or a slowdown in my progress lately. That's why I could not make videos. Or maybe it's just a reason. Is that thankfully, as I'm recording this, I am getting back to it more. I had a few realizations. I learned a few stuff. Like for example, when you're eating so much, when you're bulking, right? Sometimes you have this obligation to eat more. The complaining attitude. Oh man, I need to eat more. Yes, it's hard, right? I understand. But I'm in lack, it made me realize how privileged I am that I get to eat that amount, or I get to eat more. Of course, training. I get to train more. I get to push myself. Thank God for that. And that's it. Sometimes we take things for granted and might not. You just realize it when you lost it or could not have it for a while. So that a new gym tip, I guess, for eating before you eat your meal, instead of having that again complaining whiny attitude. Start with a grateful with gratitude for the Lord that you have food, and thus of course you're in a positive mood, you're in a grateful mood, so you tend to eat more, which means you will get bigger. So there's that. And what else? Oh, updates. I have been practicing the sandwich method where you get to, before you eat your processed food or sweet sugary food, you prioritize your protein or fats first, or whole foods, clean foods first. And yes, it made me have less breakouts, but of course there's still some acne. But yes, it works. So made me realize too that sometimes you I have to force myself to eat some junk food because for the calories for my body, right? Even though I don't want to because I want to eat clean. But yeah, there's there's that. What else? What else? So regardless of your situation, be grateful for what you have. Do what you can. For example, me, I do push-ups, body weight home workouts. Even though don't get to eat as much, I still train. And yes, I lost some 1 kilo, but I will gain it back. So that is all. Don't take things for granted. Thank God daily for the day He's giving you, for all the blessings. That is all.